Hi Ma'am Roy, happy birthday po. Kamusta na po kayo? Pasensya na po hindi ako nakasama nung nakaraan sa pagdating mo. Miss na kita, Ma'am. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Royds. Thank you po for always sharing your blessings with us, and thank you for being parts of our lives. Happy birthday po, and I hope and I wish na humaba pa po lalo ang buhay nyo para marami pa po kayong matulungang ibang tao. Happy birthday po!
Roida,
As you are to celebrate your 60th birthday, I wish you good health.
and more birthdays to celebrate. Life begins at 60, and all you need and all what you do is enjoy life to the max.
Happy birthday! Enjoy!
And welcome to the club.
Si SC. Welcome to SC.
Welcome to SC. And God bless us all. Happy birthday.
Hi Royds, happy at 60. Yes, you are really blessed that you are able to reach this age. Women before used not to disclose their totoong age, but now we take pride in declaring our true age or katotohanan, because at 60 we are blessed with the young looking face. And I pray that God will grant the desires of your hearts, and God will be more gracious to you, especially on the area of good health, and then everything follows, including joy, happiness, prosperity, and abundance, and also for you to enjoy relationships, especially with your son and your daughter to be. We are very glad for all these blessings to you, and I wish you for everything, for the 18 years plus the 18 plus 42 years of experience. Okay, so enjoy your day and have a wonderful one. We love you, and from the Philippines, with this red color, it's burning with our love and hugs. Bye. God bless you more, my dear sister.
Go Tita Roida, happy birthday. Take care always. Take care of your health, and God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Royda!
God bless you more. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, my batch, my hipag. Ingat-ingat lang sa pagkain. Alam kong magana kang kumain. Okay? Happy birthday again.
Birthday, Roida. Happy birthday, Roida. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, my darling Roida. Bye-bye all. Yeah, to everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Royda! Happy platinum, and happy, stay healthy, happy, and good food. May God bless the desires of love with the pure light. I love you, 60 and
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate Roida. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. At Maui, happy birthday, Auntie Roida. Auntie na yun, ha? Happy birthday, Ate Roida. Papa. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday. Salamat ng marami. Hope all your wishes come true. We love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday from Washington. Love you, love you. Hope to see you next year. Kita tayo sa farm. Isa, mwah. 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 Bye-bye. Hello to Kuya Godoy and my handsome Rap. Congratulations to you and your lovely and beautiful girlfriend. Okay? Love you. Bye-bye. Fiancé. Naku, mali ako. Magagalit siya sa akin. Okay, bye-bye. Happy birthday, Mang Roida. Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Roida.
For blessings to come.
Hi there, to the one who always makes me feel welcome and loved. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday to you, Mama Roy. To my loving future mother-in-law, happy birthday. Wishing you nothing but the best today. Enjoy! Nakapag-video!
Happy birthday, Tita Roida.
Hi, Roida. Happy birthday.
God bless.
God bless. All the best. Bye.
Hello, Manang. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best, Manang. Have fun. Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your day, Manang. And God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Mang Roida. May you have many more birthdays to come. God bless. Okay?
60.
Enjoy na lang, ha? Okay.
Nung nagbasitaan na yun naman.
Ganun ko man eh.
Thank you ka ata na dano na ti 60th birthday na. Thank you, Lord. Sana mag-enjoy ka. Laksaw ka pa.
Ano ako, suwadin,
"25 years when my life is real, time together, wake me feel of hope." Mali pala yun. Hindi yun. Hey! How are you out there? Mang Roida, happy birthday! Happy 16th birthday! 16. Age is just a number. Naked. Awamuti amo kay bagak. Manang ko, happy birthday, latan. Sabi ko mata nakaradkad ka. Itag na nayon. Ken anda ko mameten nga umadaling nga kaapukan. Dahil nga rap-rap. Anyway, just enjoy your life, enjoy your journey. Just do what you want. Gawin mo ang gusto mong gawin, hindi yung pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo. Manang ko, enjoy your life, the rest of your life. And happy birthday, Manang. Amanti may bagakon nga kwanta shy type pa eh. Amo yumutin. So kan ganyan ka nag-artista. Happy birthday, Manang!
Happy birthday, Tita Roya. Happy birthday, Tita Roya.
One more.
Happy birthday, Tita Roya.
Happy birthday, Tita Roida. God bless.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Roida!